having steak here, leftover steak, and a bird just flew into my camper. Oh, there it goes. Oh boy. Here we go now. Oh, look at this now. I got a bird in here. Well, he's not getting out that way. All right, you. We got to get you out of here. Oh my gosh, hey? I know you're in a panic because you want out. I get you. Okay, hold on. I can't let you out that way because there's screens. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on here. Hold on. This could only happen to me, I'll tell you. I saw the thing go up on my step and go into my camper. Okay, I'm going to have to pick you up. Alright, well hold on here. We'll set something up so you can see what I'm doing maybe here. I don't know, we'll try it and see here. Oh my goodness. Silly stuff. Silly stuff, I tell ya. That's not going to work. Okay. Alright. Hey Rocky, there's a bird in the camper. Rocky, he's looking there. Oh my goodness. He's in a panic, he is. Hey you. It's okay. We gotta think of something, eh? Okay, now Rocky's just like, okay, I'm going to come up and deal with this. But no, you're not, Rocky, because we don't want to kill the bird. We don't want to kill it. We just want to get it out of here. Okay. Rocky, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No. We're not killing it. Listen to me and listen to me well. We're not killing the bird. Okay. No, no. You stay back. Here we go. Oh, come on, you. Come on, come on. Oh. Okay, oh, there we go. Out he went. Good, good. Well, that was good. Oh, there we go. Well, that was more excitement at Kamp Krazy anyway. My goodness. What's going to happen next? Oh, my goodness, hey? Well, Rocky. Oh, my goodness. That's the first bird we've had. Look at Rocky. He's just like, what the heck happened? I was just hunting a bird. Ah, it's okay. I know you're just being a cat, eh? Yeah, alright. Anyway, that makes for good TV, at least, I guess. Alright. Anyway, that's it for now. That was another exciting moment here at Kamp Krazy. The fast pace of life at Kamp Krazy never ceases to amaze me. Anyway, we'll see you later.